Should all warm up a little bit, I wonder. It's just a get. Oh, yeah, that's offset. That's not sitting where it should be. Huh. Alright, so let's get this stuck open. It's a bit offset. Looks offset. Oh, it's not sewn into plastic yet. That's by no means in good condition. Jesus. Alright, how hard can it be? Any leakage yet? There comes some leakage. There's right all over the start. That's just great. Those bolts are going to be hot. Oh, that is the most amateur thing in the world. How can you be so bad at something? Jesus Christ. At least it's warmed up enough so that it's covered in cord too, which is a problem. There's that gap where I failed to be a mechanic. Come on. Oh yeah, it's the fiddly jobs I love the most. No. No, yes, come on. Oh. Jesus. I'm back. It's the most amateur thing ever installing it the way I did. Now that's much better. It'd be funny if I dropped the bolt right now. That's what my hand tight. It's about 200 millimeters. Experts of the internet, I don't have a torque wrench that goes that low. If anyone wants to donate one, that'd be fantastic. Some real easy, please.